Glock and it come with a stick. He loving the way that I step out in Rick. I come out the cut, you get hit with a brick. Blowing that gas and it's making me spit. Off for the perk and I go to the moon. Throwing the bomb, all you hear is a boom. Come out the cut, he got hit with a vase. Don't trust this bitch, she can't come to my place. I'm cutting my grass, I heard me some snakes. I'm blowing shit up and I'm making it shake. Facing the blunt, I wake and I bake. These niggas be sweet, I'm not talking about cake.
What's up, y'all? It's What the Fuck's Sway. I'm back with another video, you feel me? Now, today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make a cover art on iPhone for your music. Now, what you want to do is you want to download this app called PicsArt. It look like this though. So go into PicsArt once you got it. Hit the purple, hit this purple plus button in the bottom middle. Press that. Go to all photos. Now, what you want to do is find you a picture. Now, let's say I want to use this one. Like it'll be nah, I don't like that. What about, let me see, this one probably nah, I don't like that. This one for cover art. So hit tools, hit crop, then hit square, the one that say square, and then press apply. It's going, you feel me? It's gonna change to the square, right? So once it's on square, right? Now you can just freak it however you want it. Now the way you start off is with effects. So you start off with some effects. So next to tools, we're gonna click effects, right? Now they got a lot of different options here. They got the HDR, you feel me? You can make it like, you know, you just look at it, you feel me? They got all type of different effects. The noise effect. Oh shit, that look kind of fire. Hold on. That already look fine. I might add that. Yeah, so we gonna add that. We'll come back and show y'all. But yeah, so they got fam too. That shit look kind of hard now. Right now, you could, and you could. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all more shit too about this app. Like if a filter look hard, but you want to tweak it more. Like this, right? Like say you wanted to like it look hard, but I feel like I want to make it lighter or some shit. You could literally do this. You know, you turn the blur down, turn the noise off, or up, whatever you want to do, you know, play with it so it look professional and shit. So boom, so you got it. You could swipe over and darken and all this. This how you can make it lighter and shit. So like that, you know, once you got it to like however you want it, this is when you add like your advisory logos or like any extra little details you want. So find where sticker is at, hit it, then hit search. You could type in advisory. All right, boom. So advisory. Boom, it's gonna pop up, right? That arrow on it, if you put your finger on it and move it, you can adjust the size, you feel me? So yeah, so you adjust the size to your liking. Okay, so boom. So then now you can add more stickers. Like, so y'all see how like it's all gray and it look like it's like it look out of place right there. I'm gonna show y'all how to fix that. So you hit the sticker once you got it to where you want it. Now hit blend and you could do different stuff. You could make it blend in with whatever like it's on, you feel me? You can hit it and then okay, at all the way at the top next to the eraser logo, that's a duplicate. Once you hit it, is you gonna see move down or shit like duplicate. Now watch this. You can duplicate it, right? And you could do something like this. I can make it like you can make it look like a shadow. Like, you feel me? Like a bigger version type shit. Like, I just got that idea, but yeah, that shit hard though. So yeah, once you got the cover however you want it, boom, you could go to tools or whatever. Like I said, you can make it, you can enhance it, which makes it pop out more, like shit like this. Then you can adjust it more, like I was telling y'all earlier in this vid. So yeah, once y'all got y'all cover art done, y'all can save it. And yeah, that's how you make cover arts on iPhone, man. Like, you feel me? It went from this, a regular picture outside, to this. Crazy. That to that. Yeah, that's how you make a cover art on iPhone. It's What the Fuck Sway, man. Let me know what other type of vids y'all want. I'm gonna be going crazy. Consistent Sway in the building. And that'll be it, man. I'm out.
I got me a Glock and it come with a stick. He loving the way that I step out in Rick. I come out the cut, you get hit with a brick. Blowing that gas and it's making me spit. Off for the perk and I go to the moon. Throwing the bomb, all you hear is a boom. Come out the cut, he got hit with a vague. Don't trust this bitch, she can't come to my place. I'm cutting my grass, I heard me some snakes. I'm blowing shit up and I'm making it shake. Facing the blunt, I wake and I bake. These niggas be sweet, I'm not talking about